All right, let's get a little morbid here. This is 2017 numbers. I don't know what numbers these are. These must be 2019, but I'm not sure. But let's say these are 2019. And they may be from the CDC, they may not. Do I trust the CDC? Hell no. Do I trust their numbers? Definitely not. They may be a private owned corporation, but they are with the WHO and they are misleading. Now let's go back to some other stats. These are from, let me get this moved over. These are from 2017. And notice the COVID crap they're putting up there. These are from 2017. Heart disease, 647,000. Cancer, 599. Chronic inhale, blah, 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 blah. But they don't even have car deaths in here. Unintentional injuries. They don't even have car deaths up here. See what I mean? This stuff is totally misleading. It's just inaccurate, misleading, and it's specifically done that way. Now let's go see if we can find car accidents, deaths 2017. Now we did a quick Google search, and this may be accurate, may not be, but there are 40,000. Are they close to the numbers that we saw on the other screen? No. But again, this shows you that things are just not being completely reported or even partially reported. And these deaths happen year after year. Life expectancy, let's try this again, life expectancy is 78.6 years. Am I going to beat that? I don't know. We'll see. Anyhow, cancer, 599, almost 600,000. This is, again, 169,000 accidental deaths, intentional injuries, lower respiratory disease, 160,000, stroke, 146,000, Alzheimer's, 121, diabetes, 83,000, influenza, 55,000, 50,000 here, and 47. Intentional self-harm, suicide probably. And car deaths of 40,000 in 2017. So again, let's compare with what's going on, and the numbers on the COVID-19 are at least doubled what they should be, at least doubled what they should be, because of inaccurate testing and reporting. Keep that in mind. This is Roger Martin from Billings, Montana. Don't get lied to by the media. That's hard to do, but do some independent thinking and studying, because we're being played big time. And the financial fallout from this is far from over. Good day.